I'm supposed to be singing my son to sleep, but homeboy's up and about. It's amazing how you can speak right to my heart. Yeehaw! Without saying a word, you can light up the dark. Try as I may, I could never explain what I hear when you don't say a thing. The smile on your face lets me know that you need me. There's a truth in your eyes saying you won't ever leave me. The touch of your hand says you'll catch me whenever I fall. You say it best when you say nothing at all. Don't say not a damn thing. All day long I could hear people talking out loud. Be quiet, y'all are too loud. But when you hold me near, you drown out the crowd. Yes, you do. Try as I may, I could never define what's being said between your heart and mine. The smile on your face lets me know that you need me. There's a truth in your eyes saying you'll never leave me. The touch of your hand says you'll catch me wherever I fall. Okay. You say it best when you say nothing at all. What? Don't act like you heard that. Forget it. Forget that last pitch and the one before that too. Don't judge me. Touch of your hand says you'll catch me. What's wrong, son? What's wrong? Okay then, you come over here and go to sleep. Kiki time.